In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Pinterest account public if you want people to discover your boards and profile more easily. Making your account public is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it so you know exactly where everything lives and what each option means. Start by opening your browser and going to pinterest.com. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your settings. You can do this on a computer or mobile browser. The layout might look slightly different, but the labels are the same. Once you're on Pinterest, head to your account controls and open settings. You'll usually find this by clicking your profile picture or the menu in the top right corner. In that menu, choose settings. Some layouts will show a gear icon or a secondary settings option inside the menu. If you see that, select it to open the full settings panel. The goal here is simply to reach the main settings area where all your account preferences are managed. Inside settings, look for the section labeled Profile Visibility. This area controls who can see your profile and how easily it can be found. Click Profile Visibility to open its detailed options. You'll see controls related to whether your profile can be discovered by others, including through search on and off Pinterest. Next, click the Visibility button or toggle so that your profile is set to be public. When this is on, people will be able to find your profile and view your public boards and pins. This doesn't expose any secret boards you've created. Those remain private unless you change them individually. Think of this as turning on the discoverability for your overall profile. After you've adjusted the visibility setting, make sure to save your changes. Look for the save button on the page and click it. Saving locks in the update so it actually takes effect. Without saving, the setting may revert when you leave the page. That's it. Your Pinterest profile is now public, which helps your pins reach a wider audience. If you don't see the change immediately, give it a moment, refresh the page, or check from a different browser or device. And if you ever change your mind, you can return to the same profile visibility section and switch the button back. As a quick tip, review your boards to ensure anything you want to keep private is set as a secret board. Public profiles showcase only what you've made public, so you stay in control. Thanks for following along and enjoy sharing your ideas with a bigger audience on Pinterest.